Good afternoon to all of you. And this particular presentation, I am going to release the December 2020 Nifty top and bottom calculation using the VIX and Fibonacci method. And this is as per our release. You have been most probably you will be observing that in finance we have released many months top and bottom calculations using this VIX and Fibonacci. So last month also we have released the same, and you can find out in our YouTube all those videos associated with this particular concept. So here this particular video will be slightly different from the earlier videos, and earlier videos normally one cycle trend used to continue, but currently the uptrend continuation is a continuous process and it is continuing till date. So here some small deviations or small changes in the calculations will be there. So I'll request all of you to view the video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, and you can get our YouTube link in our website here. So once you open smartfinancing.com and you navigate to any page, so there you will find out our YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. So follow us in the Twitter and Facebook also. Whenever we release any video, you will get the information. And this particular video, we are going to release the top and bottom calculations for the Nifty using the VIX and the Fibonacci method. So what are the data points I required? So I have taken the November months. So beginning to 27th of November, Nifty spot open, high, low, close data. And from there, I am just taking the highest price point of the Nifty and the lowest price point of the Nifty. So in the month of November, closing basis, Nifty has gone 13,055. It is the closing price, it's not the higher price or the lower price. It is the closing basis. What was the closing high and what was the closing low? So these two prices I have taken. Same process I have also taken the volatility index VIX data, and from there I have taken the closing highs and closing low for the VIX. So now I will be using this thing with my calculations, as you have earlier videos also you have seen. So I am taking the VIX and I am dividing the VIX with the square root of 30, so that I require the monthly VIX to be here. So once I get the monthly VIX, I will be multiplying with the price point and dividing it by 100. So you can say that monthly how much price range you are expecting, that we will get, and we will take all higher Fibonacci ratio, all growth Fibonacci ratios 1 to 4.236. So these levels all will take, and these ratios will be helpful for identifying the top and bottom. So whenever we are using the highest VIX, we will be using the highest price point. So 25.21 is the highest VIX, 13,055 was the highest price point in the month of November on closing basis. So using this, we are finding out this is the bottoms. So bottoms are coming, first bottom 12,454 and till 10,651. So now same process will be repeating for the top. So whenever we are using the top calculation, we will be using the lowest VIX and the lowest Nifty. So in the month of November, Nifty was lowest point was 11,669 and the VIX low was 19.12. So using this same process, dividing by square root of 30, multiplying with the price points. So we got 407 points, and then we are multiplying with all Fibonacci ratios. So we are getting the major tops. So these are the tops for the month of December we are expecting. So now we are at a level of 13,198 level. So this readings, if you can have a look here, so this says that we are at the last leg of this thing, say 13,298 we are touching. So and after touching this, that's how our calculation ends here. So if I say that 13,298 it has crossed, can I say that this is it and gone beyond that? So can I say that yes, November month data is insufficient and I cannot get it for the December? It's not like that. So all these calculations what we are doing, it is for the cycle 1, first one cycle. Cycle 1, we are doing all the calculations. So if the price penetrates this 13,298, then we need to do the calculation for the second cycle. So there only this price point we have to change 13,298. So once the price point hits that level, so we can change that level to 13,298. So we can get our next top. So which will be, weeks will be remaining same. The next top 13,762, 13,888, and in between also the mid also we have to find out. So this will be the second cycle top calculations. And once you are doing the second cycle top calculations, one thing you have to very carefully remember here, once the price goes to the second cycle, this bottom calculations also will change. It is not the only top calculation is going to change. Bottom calculation also is going to change. That is also from 13,298 reference. So 13,298 reference you have to draw this bottom calculations also. So here, two things you have to remember. If the price point changes, so if the price point changes or price move above 13,298, then which is our last calculated point as per the top, and once it moves, then we have to change this price points to 13,298 here for knowing the next tops, and same time also we have to 13,298 we have to change here so that we can get the bottoms. The bottoms associated with 13,298 and tops associated in the cycle 2, which will be 13,298. So this is how you should calculate for the top and bottom for the month of December. So wait for 13,298, which is the last calculation of ours. So once the 13,298 comes, then do calculate the next top from the 13,298, which will be 13,762, 13,888, and so on. So have a look on these levels for the month of December to know the accuracy level of this particular method. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. And if you have any product related queries, so we have many fantastic software for intraday trades. We have many fantastic software for the option strategy trade, and many beautiful courses to understand the mathematical way of analyzing the stocks and indices. So those concepts, if you want to read and learn, so we have a vast number of courses here. Any product related query, please feel free to call in this number, so we'll be glad to answer you. And if you like this video, do share with your friends and give a like in this video. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.